grabbing a cube, getting ready to score into the goal. They drop one in. Looks like Boss is lining up to score some cubes of their own. As they lift up, they successfully drop in one. As Waffles gets another in the goal. Waffles trying to get one more cube of that goal. 35 seconds left, you've been asked to drivers. It looks like the Waffles are getting some more cubes in that goal. Boss successfully gets their second into that goal. The Waffles getting another cube in. You must have switched drivers by now. Boss getting another red off of the goalpost. And Waffles getting one more. Boss getting ready to score 2 more cubes. They lift up and successfully drop in 2 cubes. Every goal now has the bonus. Let's get to the last 3 seconds to see if anyone can mark. And they both manage to get it. Moving on to qualification match number 72, we have 50802F, Cyberpunks 2.0.